All right, we're putting in the new Kisan Pathblazer modulators. And two things. Once you get in order to put this rubber boot on, you need to feed this through in order to get the clips all the way down. But you have to notch this out, this rubber boot, because this is way too tight to fit this module through. Because you want it, basically inside to get the clips all the way down to the bottom. And plus, the second thing I don't like is this green connection wire, which goes to the other side. It's pretty flimsy. I don't know, it looks like a 24 gauge. They could have beefed it up. But it's pretty much a straight ahead operation. But like I said, you need to notch this boot out to put it over, because this module will never fit through without notching these corners out, this collar. So hopefully this will be smooth. All right.